Identify the flag. Namibia. South Africa. Botswana. Namibia. A golden 12-pointed sun was added in the upper hoist corner to represent life and energy. Identify the flag. Vanuatu. New Caledonia. Australia. New Caledonia. Symbol on the yellow disc, a flèche faitière, which is a type of arrow that is often placed through tutued shells on the roofs of Kanak houses. Identify the flag. Mali. Chad. Niger. Niger. The horizontal tricolor of Niger does not include typical standard Pan-African colors. The orange stripe symbolizes the Sahara Desert, which covers more than half the country. Identify the flag. Australia. Norfolk Island. New Zealand. Norfolk Island. The Norfolk Island pine, featured in the center, is native to the islands, and is the official tree of the territory. Identify the flag. Benin. Cameroon. Nigeria. Nigeria. The green of the flag represents agriculture and the white unity and peace. Identify the flag. Costa Rica. Nicaragua. Honduras. Nicaragua. In the center of the flag is the national seal, which is a gold-bordered triangle. The triangle contains 5 volcanoes, a rainbow, water, and a red cap. Identify the flag. Netherlands. Germany. Belgium. Netherlands. The colors used in the flag of the Netherlands are based on the coat of arms of Prince William of Orange, who was a leading fighter in the freedom for the Dutch. Identify the flag. Sweden. Norway. Finland. Norway. It is based on the Danish flag, the Dannebrog, marking the union with the Kingdom of Denmark from 1397 until 1814. The blue cross symbolizes the union between Norway and Sweden from 1814 until 1905. Identify the flag. India. China. Nepal. Nepal. It is the only non-quadrilateral national flag in the world and features stylized images of the sun and a crescent moon. Identify the flag. Kiribati. Nauru. Marshall Islands. Nauru. The design symbolically depicts Nauru's geographical position, with a star just south of the equator. Identify the flag. Tonga. Niue. Samoa. Niue. The flag is based on a British ensign design, but it has a yellow background and a defaced Union Jack in the upper left corner. The large star in the middle of the Union Jack represents Niue, a self-governing island. Identify the flag. Australia. New Zealand. Fiji. New Zealand. The blue of the background is reminiscent of the blue sea and surrounding sky. The stars of the Southern Cross signify its place in the South Pacific Ocean. Identify the flag. Oman. United Arab Emirates. Yemen. Oman. The national emblem, located on the left side of the flag in a vertical red band, is said to date back to the 18th century. It depicts a curved dagger called a khanjar over crossed swords, with an ornate horsebit connecting the weapons. Identify the flag. Costa Rica. Panama. Colombia. Panama. The stars and quarters are said to stand for the rival political parties, and the white is said to stand for the peace in which they operate. Blue was the color of the conservatives and red was the color of the liberals. Identify the flag. Ecuador, Colombia, Peru. Peru. It is said that the colors of the flag, red and white, occurred to General San Martin during the Liberation Campaign, when watching a flight of Peruanas, a variety of flamingo with red wings and white breasts, after awaking from a siesta in the desert of Paracas. Identify the flag. Cook Islands, French Polynesia, Samoa. French Polynesia. The flag is made up of two main elements, the Tahitian symbol for the sun and the French tricolor. The Tahitian symbol for the sun is a circle with 8 rays emanating from it. Identify the flag. Indonesia, Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea. Papua New Guinea. The flag features bird of paradise, also known as the kumal. This yellow bird on a red background represents unification under one nation. The Southern Cross. 5 yellow stars on a black background represent a guide for traveling people. Identify the flag. Taiwan, Philippines, Indonesia. Philippines. The 3 stars stand for the 3 big islands of the Philippines, namely Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The 8 sun rays symbolize the first 8 provinces in the Philippines that revolted against Spanish colonization. Identify the flag. Pakistan, Afghanistan, India. Pakistan. The flag symbolizes Pakistan's commitment to Islam. It is based on the original flag of the Muslim League, which itself drew inspiration from the flag of the Sultanate of Delhi and the Mughal Empire in India and the flag of the Ottoman Empire. Identify the flag. Germany, Belarus, Poland. Poland. White and red have been the national colors of Poland. When women wore white garments with red ribbons to commemorate the first anniversary of the Constitution in 1791, and men donned white and red brassards. Identify the flag. Canada, Saint-Pierre and Miquelon, Nova Scotia. Saint-Pierre and Miquelon. The flag is blue with a yellow ship, said to be Grande Hermine, which brought Jacques Cartier to Saint-Pierre in 1536. 3 square fields placed along the hoist recall the origin of most inhabitants of the islands, from top to bottom, Basques, Bretons, and Normans. Identify the flag. Pitcairn Islands, French Polynesia, Easter Island. Pitcairn Islands. The flag is a blue ensign with the Pitcairn coat of arms defaced on the fly. The wheelbarrow in the crest stands for the first settlers. The miro plant represents the wood the islanders use for carving souvenirs for tourists. Identify the flag. Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, U.S. Virgin Islands. Puerto Rico. The flag's design is based on the Cuban flag with the red and blue colors inverted. The white star represents the Commonwealth and the 3 sides of the triangle represent the 3 branches of the Commonwealth's republican form of government. Identify the flag. Israel, Jordan, Palestine. Palestine. Overall design is almost identical to the flag of the Arab Revolt, with the Pan-Arab colors representing 4 Arab dynasties. Red, the Hashemites; white, the Umayyads; black, the Abbasids; and green, the Fatimids. Identify the flag. Spain, Portugal, Morocco. Portugal. The central red shield, filled with yellow castles and smaller blue shields, symbolizes victories against the Moors. This is the oldest symbol on the Portuguese flag. Identify the flag. Micronesia, Philippines, Palau. Palau. The light blue of the field symbolizes the Pacific Ocean, and the golden disk, which sits slightly off-center toward the hoist, represents the full moon. The Palauans consider the full moon to be the optimum time for human activity. Identify the flag. Argentina, Paraguay, Brazil. Paraguay. The flag is unusual because it differs on its obverse and reverse sides. The obverse of the flag shows the national coat of arms, and the reverse shows the seal of the treasury. Identify the flag. Qatar, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia. Qatar. The flag features 9 serrated edges that separate the white and maroon portions. They are a symbol of the inclusion of Qatar as the 9th member of the Persian Gulf Reconciled Emirates, which concluded the Qatari-British Treaty in 1916. Identify the flag. Mauritius, Madagascar, Réunion. Réunion. The flag depicts the volcano of La Fournaise, bedecked by gold sunbeams. Identify the flag. Hungary, Romania, Ukraine. Romania. The flag features 3 vertical stripes of blue, yellow, and red, representing the colors of the historical principalities of Wallachia and Moldavia. Identify the flag. Hungary, Romania, Serbia. Serbia. The flag features 3 horizontal stripes of red, blue, and white, representing the colors of the Pan-Slavic movement. Identify the flag. Norway, Russia, Kazakhstan. Russia. The Russian flag features 3 horizontal stripes of white, blue, and red, representing faith, hope, and charity in the traditional Slavic interpretation. Identify the flag. Rwanda, Burundi, Republic of the Congo. Rwanda. The flag features 3 horizontal stripes of blue, yellow, and green, symbolizing peace, development, and hope for the future.